Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So what are we doing today? Today we're going to make lemongrass tea. What's lemongrass good for, you ask? So, great for aiding digestion. If you've got an upset stomach or, needs a bit of soothing, lemongrass tea does the trick. Good for lowering blood pressure. It's a proven fact, but you would need to seek medical advice, of course. But yeah, lemongrass tea, good for blood pressure issues. Anxiety. So, common issue for a lot of us, anxiety. Lemongrass tea, just the aroma, the taste, it's soothing and relaxing. What else is it good for? Oral hygiene. You can either chew it raw, put it in the tea. It's healthy, it's good for you. So overall, it's a bit of a hero of the garden. So what do we do first? Yep, let's go and find some lemongrass. So here we go, guys. Here's the lemongrass plant. Just watch these, the top bits of the leaves, because they'll cut you like a knife, a bit like this knife. So what you do to harvest it, we need a couple of bits today. So we'll take these outside bits to keep the plant intact. Don't really need the knife. You basically twist and pull. Easy as that, look, you see? So this is the bit we're interested in, this bit here. So you take off these outer leaves and all the rubbish. Like I say, we want kind of that bit. And so you don't actually cut this, what you call is bruise it. So bruising releases the oils, which of course is what you want for the tea. So let's go over here, cut it down. So basically, chop it about there. Put the rubbish onto the compost heap. We don't want any of that. It's not going to hurt you, but you don't even want it in your tea, do you? Okay, you can see, there you go. That's the lemongrass you recognise. God, that smell is amazing. It's going to smell even better in a minute. So just bruise it. So by that I mean, simple as that. Next thing, boil it up in the pan. So here we are in the pan with boiling water. Boil the lemongrass for 10 minutes. It just releases all those oils and all the goodness. And we're going to make a great tea. Nectar of the gods, look at that. Strain. Leave behind the bits of lemongrass there. Add a bit of honey if you like, or keep it natural, up to you. Then it's ready to drink. So here we are back in the garden with our fragrant lemongrass tea. Absolutely delicious. I didn't put any honey in, but you can if you want to sweeten it. That's beautiful. I mean, what could be better? Just beautiful morning. Sun's not out yet, but it's a nice day. In the garden, the birds are singing. Got the lemongrass tea. Soothes the nerves if you're anxious, helps to lower the blood pressure, good for your oral health, helps any stomach issues. Couldn't be better. And of course it's free because it was in the garden. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this one, give me a like and come back for more, or check out my channel for other stuff. I make things like this. If you're interested in building projects or art. Now I'm going to enjoy my nice healthy morning cup of lemongrass. Bye for now guys, see you later.